You know that fresh scent that you might have just sprayed in your home? It isn't clean. That's a chemical cocktail. And most of us think that we're protecting our families by scrubbing every surface with that kind of stuff. But we're actually increasing our total toxin burden with every wipe. Most common household cleaners, disinfectants, and even laundry detergents contain ingredients that pose significant health risks when inhaled or absorbed through our skin. And we're talking about the chronic exposure linked to immune dysfunction or hormone disruption, or even organ damage. If you find yourself cleaning often with a lot of these common household products, likely there's some pretty bad stuff happening. We're going to break it down in this video and give you practical steps to improve and replace what you have. So make sure to follow along, hit the like button, and subscribe to get more videos just like this. A lot of this is based on the MD Lifespan Clean Home Guide. We actually linked it in the description. It's easy for you to download. It's totally free because there are several high-risk chemicals that are likely right in front of you, hiding in plain sight. The first pretty common one are VOCs. These are volatile organic compounds. These are found typically in air fresheners and disinfectants that you might use when you're cleaning your home. These are things that irritate your lungs, and they can worsen conditions kind of like asthma and other respiratory issues. Some others are phthalates and parabens. Now, what these do are they disrupt your endocrine system, and they interfere with your hormone balance and reproductive health. Something that we should all be concerned about, even if we're not trying to reproduce right now. And the last are ammonia and SLS. So these are found in glass cleaners and dish soap, and they can cause respiratory harm and skin irritation. Right after this video finishes, I want you to check out the cabinets with all your cleaning products. If your antibacterial soap contains triclosan, it is linked to antibiotic resistance. And if the cleaning wipes you're using use quaternary ammonia compounds, that means you're risking respiratory tract infection. Most grocery green cleaners still hide behind vague labels. And the gold standard is transparency. That's what you always want. You want plant-based cleaners with 100% transparent ingredient lists. For surfaces, you want to move away from VOC-heavy all-purpose cleaners. Instead, let's replace them for certified non-toxic brands like Suzanne Eco Cleaner Multi-Surface Concentrate or 7th generation. For your laundry, conventional detergents are packed with synthetic fragrances and optical brighteners that irritate your skin. So what you want to look for instead are things like Tide-free and gentle, or plant-based options like Molly's Suds. Now, a little pro tip from MD Lifespan is, and if you're up for it, is to invest in an Ozone laundry system. What this does is it uses oxidation to clean your clothes without any of the harsh chemicals involved. So what that's going to do is protect both your health and the planet. It's a good thing. So for all of this to work and for you to get ahead, you don't need a massive budget. Here are 3 immediate wins straight from MD Lifespan's guidebook. Again, that is linked in the description for you to download for free. The first thing is to prioritize your air, your ventilation. So while you're cleaning, make sure to just open up your windows, turn on all the exhaust fans that you have around, because all this stuff is going to drastically reduce the inhalation of fumes as you're cleaning around your house. The next one is to ditch all of the aerosols. So you want to stop using the pressurized sprays that I know that we've all used. Those are things that actually suspend the chemicals in the air while you're cleaning. So instead of the aerosols, you want to opt for the pump or liquid cleaners that keep the toxins out of your lungs. Put them on the rags, keep them, away from you actually breathing this in while you're cleaning. And now this next one is one that I've used a lot in my house and my family loves it as well, and it doesn't smell bad, is the DIY glass hack. So stop buying the ammonia-based glass cleaners. They're pretty stinky too, What you want to do instead is mix 1 part vinegar, white vinegar, and 10 parts water. That's going to give you a streak-free, non-toxic cleaner that looks awesome too. It does the trick. As you can tell, creating a clean home environment is essential. It's the most toxic place that we're typically at because we're there all the time too. But for many of us, the damage comes from the years of exposure that's already been done. What this means is that it's an accumulated load that keeps piling up in your body just because of the environment and things that we put in there. And when this becomes too high, that means your body needs more than just new soap or new sprays or even, white vinegar. It needs a full-on clinical reset. And this is exactly what MD Lifespan does. They do have these full-on protocols called plasma exchange. They're actually designed to address what's happening with the toxin load inside of you directly. And there's a very quick way to remove the toxins. You can definitely learn about more at MD Lifespan, or you can even dive into the MD Lifespan Clean Home Guide. Again, that's all linked up. It's totally free. I would not wait for symptoms to start developing. You got to start doing the homework. And again, knowledge is the first line of defense. And then the second thing is just to actually take action and do this stuff. So make sure to audit your home right now. To see more of these videos, hit the like button, subscribe button, and comment below. What's your big aha moment? What's a product that you're actually replacing now after watching this video? Go audit your cabinet. Go do it now, and we'll see you in the next video.